We will now look at the trading aspects of the platform. Next to your order entry panel, you'll notice your accounts panel. Here you can see your running account balance at any time, your current used margin, your current unrealized P&L, your daily P&L, as well as a number of other items. This is an important window to keep an eye on while you're trading. The simplest way to place a trade is from your order entry panel. Simply select the instrument which you'd like to trade. In this case, we're going to choose ABSA. Select your order type. I'm going to choose a market order, which means that I would take the best price available at the moment. I specify the quantity which I'd like to buy. Let's say 200. Before I place my trade, I can see the margin requirement. In this example, in order to buy 200 ABSA at 151 Rand and 80 cents, I need at least 3,034 Rand and 60 cents in my account. Once I'm happy with my order, I click buy or sell. Confirm your order, and the trade is placed. You will receive a confirmation ticket. I can then see my open position in my positions tab. I bought 200 ABSA CFDs at a price of 151.80. The current price, if I wanted to sell out, is 151.74, meaning I currently have a loss of 12 Rand. I can also see the commission that I was charged on this trade. In this case, I was charged the minimum of 100 Rand. The net P&L shows my profit and loss after commissions. This P&L window is live. As the market moves, your P&L will update. I can see the exposure of my trade, as well as the margin blocked for this trade. If I look at my chart and I click on the auto button in the top right, I can drag it down. I can then see the green arrow where I bought into my position. If I hover over the arrow, it gives me my position details. I can place a stop loss and take profit on my chart by clicking on the position and dragging down to place my stop loss. Where I release, I'm given the option to either place a stop loss or a trailing stop loss. In this case, I'm going to select a stop loss. I get my confirmation, and I can see my red arrow where I will sell out if the price drops to that level. In the same fashion, I can set a take profit. Click on my position, drag up and release. Set take profit, and I get my confirmation. By double clicking on either my stop loss or my take profit, I can see my estimated loss at my stop loss and my estimated profit at my take profit. From this window, I can amend my stop loss and take profit. I can either type over my stop loss if I want to move it further away, for example, making my loss wider. If I want to move my take profit further away, making my profit wider, I do the same. Click modify, and the changes will be made. You will get a confirmation of the removal of the old stop loss and take profit, and a confirmation of the creation of the new ones. If I wish to remove my stop loss and take profit, I can right click on my position, select modify position, and untick stop loss and take profit. Click modify, and the changes will be saved. Another way to add a stop loss and take profit is to go to your open positions window and click in the stop loss column. Simply type in the price where you would like to set your stop loss and press enter. Confirm your order, and your stop loss has been placed at 150 Rand. You can set your take profit in the same way. Once again, I can see it on the chart. In order to close a position, I can either right click on it in the open positions window, go to close position and select to close it, or alternatively I can double click on the position and select OK to close. I will get my confirmation of my trade. I can see my executed trades in the trade window. Here we can see that we bought 200 ABSA at 151 Rand and 80 cents. We can also see that I sold 200 at 151 Rand and 68 cents, equating to a loss of 24 Rand. I can also see the commissions that I've been charged for each trade. If I would like to place an order away from the current market price, I can select a limit order. In this example, I want to buy 200 ABSA at a price of 150 Rand, which is below where the current market is trading. If I click buy, confirm my order, the order has been placed. I can see it in the orders panel, buy 200 ABSA at 150 Rand, where I can also see the current market price at 151 Rand and 80 cents. Until the market drops to 150 Rand, this order will remain pending. If I wish to amend this order, I can right click on it, select modify order and change my price. If I'd like to fill it now, I would have to match the current market price of 151 Rand and 80 cents. And my trade is executed. It will now show in the positions window as before. There are a number of reports which you can run across your account. To see your reports, go to the Accounts tab, click on Reports, and click on the drop down. The most important reports are the balance report, which will show any debit or credit to your account, and the trades report, which will show all of the trading activity on your account. For the balance report, we select it. We can select whether we want to show it in the platform or export to Excel or show it in a table format. For simplicity, we will show it in the platform. Select your date range and click Get Report. You can resize the panel to see all of your information. Here we can see on the 22nd of February at 10:07 there was a deposit of 100,000 Rand. At 10:09 we had a trade. The commission for this trade was 100 Rand, making our new balance 99,900 Rand. Once we closed out of this trade, we had a loss of 24 Rand, which further decreased our balance. There was also a commission to close this trade. To run a trades report, select the drop down, select trades report, specify your date range, and click Get Report. Here we can see the 3 trades which have been placed on this account to date. Our first trade, we bought 200 ABSA CFDs at a price of 151 Rand and 80 cents. There was a 100 Rand commission charge for this trade. Later, we sold at a price of 151 Rand and 68 cents. Therefore, we realized a loss of 24 Rand. There was also a 100 Rand commission to place this trade. Again, we bought another 200 ABSA at a price of 151 Rand and 80 cents. This trade also realized a commission of 100 Rand. This report will tie back to your balances report. If we now go and close our current open position and go back to our reports, when we run the trades report, we now see that we have 4 trades. These reports are live and are updated in real time.